1997 Chevy Suburban. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. She has the sought after rear barn style doors. This side can use a little love. It's not opening right now. Very common on these OBS trucks, the latches, they just give out in the door handles. I had a 96 Tahoe that I had to replace it on. Interior's in great shape. She got power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Mileage reads a little over 61,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seats are in good condition. Headliner good. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fired right up. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. She's running nice and smooth.